power enthroned. You stand alone in all your glory, unmatched, unshaken, unknown. When the mountains bow in silence, when the oceans hear your call, all creation testifies you are greater than all. You are greater than all, higher than every name, mighty in power and glory, forever you reign. You are greater than all, there is none like you. We lift our hearts in surrender, all praise belongs to you. In the battles we cannot see, you're fighting on our behalf. Your word remains unbroken, your promises stand secure. From the depths of every weakness to the heights of victory, you are faithful through the ages, strong and sure eternally. You are greater than all, higher than every name, mighty in power and glory, forever you reign. You are greater than all, there is none like you. We lift our hearts in surrender, all praise belongs to you. Greater, greater, greater. You are Lord of all. Greater, greater. Igbo greater. We exalt your name. Greater, greater. Soft and greater, greater, greater. You are greater than all. Seated on the throne, let every breath praise you, Lord. Lord. From the moment that we wake to the closing of our eyes, every heartbeat, every breath lifts a song unto the sky. You are near, you are here, in the rhythm of our days. All creation joins as one to exalt your holy name. Let every breath praise you, let every breath adore. From the depths of our hearts we worship you, Lord. Let every breath praise you, let every breath proclaim you are worthy, you are holy, forever the same. Oh, yeah. One mama, oh, yeah. One mama, oh, yeah. One mama, one mama, oh, one mama, yeah. One mama, oh, one mama. In the silence, in the sound, in the calm and in the storm, you remain our steady hope, our is held by grace. Every path is known by you. With our lives we lift this song. Faithful God, forever true. Oh, let every breath praise you. Let every breath praise you. Let every breath adore. Let every breath adore. From the depths of our hearts, oh, we worship you, Lord. Let every breath praise you. Oh, let every breath proclaim. Let every breath praise you. You are worthy, you are holy, you are holy. Yeah. Forever the same, forever, yeah. Yeah. Breath of heaven, breathe on us, oh yeah. Breath of heaven, fill this place, yeah. Breath of heaven, draw us near. We live to praise, yeah. We live to praise. Songs say, breath of heaven, oh, breathe on us, say yeah. Breath of heaven, oh, fill this place, oh yeah. Breath of heaven, oh, draw us near, oh yeah. We live to praise, oh yeah. We live to praise, oh. Let every breath praise you. Oh yeah. Let every breath praise you. As long as we are breathing, we will lift your name. Let every breath praise you. Forever and always. Let every breath praise you. Let every breath praise you. Let every breath adore. Let every breath adore. From the depths of our hearts, oh, we worship you, Lord. Let every breath praise you. In the quiet of your presence, we lay every burden down. All the noise begins to fade when your mercy wraps us round. You are calling us by name with a love so deep and true. Every step we take in faith leads our hearts back home to you. Kwani sovereign, draw us closer, Lord, nearer than before. Let our hearts be aligned with your will once more. Draw us closer, Lord, to your holy place. We desire your presence, we long for your embrace. Kwani so chineke, make our obi ani digging so. When we wander, when we fall, your grace finds us again. You restore the broken parts. You are faithful till the end. Every breath a prayer to you. Every tear you understand. You are holding us in love, safe within your mighty hand. Amaragi Zuru ani okay. Draw us closer, Lord, nearer than before. Let our hearts be aligned with your will once more. Draw us closer, Lord, to your holy place. We desire your presence, we long for never be again so.
Closer, we need you, Lord.
Soft diagnosis, we come to you.
Closer, we come to you.
Here we are before you.
Closer, we need you, Lord.
Here we are before you. Nothing held back anymore. Draw us closer, Lord, now and forever. Oh, eh. Your love never fails me. Your love never fails. When the night is long and silent, when the road is hard to see, you remain my constant refuge. Your grace is covering me. In the waiting and the trusting, in the questions of my heart, you are faithful through the seasons, from the finish to the start. Your love never fails.
It never lets me go.
Through the fire and the flood,
Your mercy holds me close.
Bisunanyagi na echem,
Isunanyagi na echem.
nakagi kamno. Your love never fails.
Never lets me go.
Your love never go flood.
Your mercy holds me close.
Bisunanyagi na echem,
Isunanyagi na echem.
nakagi kamno. You have never failed.
Eberegi adi agu agu.
Onye wani,
Eberegi adi agu agu.
onye wani,
Eberegi adi agu agu.
onye wani.
Agu agu.
Yeah.
Agu agu.
When my strength is almost empty, when my faith feels so small, you are near, you are with me. You have never left at all. Yeah. Every promise you have spoken, every word you have said, will be fulfilled in your timing. You are faithful till the end. Your love never fails.
Never lets me go.
Through the fire and the flood,
Your mercy holds
trust in your grace. Your love never fails. Forever it remains.
In the stillness of your glory, we lay our crowns aside. Every heart is lifted to you, every voice humbled in awe. Anina efisigi, niruochezigi onye wani. You are seated on the throne, clothed in light and majesty. From the rising of the sun to the setting, you are God. Chineke bube, Jesus ahagikaelu. We bow in reverence before your holy name. We bow in reverence, forever you remain. Heaven hears our surrender, earth joins in our praise. You are faithful through the ages, unchanging in all your ways. Ibu Chineke kwesiri ntụkwasị obi, nagi agbanwe agbanwe. No one compares to your mercy, no love as deep as yours. We stand amazed in your presence, our God forevermore. Ebegi kariri enile. We bow in reverence before your holy name. We bow in reverence, forever you remain. Anina sapurugi ezebube. All honor, all the glory, all power belongs to you. We bow in reverence, Lord, we worship you. Holy, holy, holy are you, Lord. Worthy, worthy, worthy is your name. Senso kaibu, igwesiri otuto nile. We bow, we bow. Receive our worship, receive our praise. Nabata tufani, nabata tutoani. We bow in reverence. We bow in reverence. We bow in reverence. We bow in reverence. We bow in reverence.
In the quiet of your presence, we lay every worry down. Every heart is turned toward you. are speaking. In the stillness you are near. You are shaping every moment. You are calming every fear. We are not in any hurry, yeah. We will trust your perfect time. All we need is found in you, Lord. All our hope is in your light. We wait in your presence.
We wait on you, Lord.
With open hearts and lifted hands.
We wait on you, Lord.
We wait in your presence.
For your will to be done.
Renew our strength, refresh our souls.
Faithful Holy One.
We dey wait for you, Baba.
Do anything you want for our life.
Oh, we dey wait for you, Baba.
Do anything you want for our life.
Wait, we wait, we wait.
We wait.
We are listening.
We wait.
We wait, we wait.
We wait.
You are working.
We wait.
On your way, and you know it better.
We don't want you to echo.
On your way, and you know it better.
On your one, you know it better.
On your way,
On your one, you know it better.
Lord, we wait in your presence.
We wait on you, Lord.
Hey, oh,
We wait on you, Lord.
any Nigerian, yeah.
We wait on you, Lord.
Yeah, we remain before you.
We wait on you, Lord.
Nothing else we want or need.
We wait on you, Lord.
We wait in your presence till your purpose is revealed.